Welcome to Appetite for the Outdoors. I'm Chef Paul Rhoades with Carolina Cooker, and today we're going to do just a very quick bean and meat burrito. So we're using ground venison with some refried beans, and we're putting that inside of our Carolina Cooker discata. So first thing we do is we put onions in our discata. Then we're going to take our ground venison. We're going to throw that right on top there. While this is cooking, we're going to go ahead and take some salt, a little bit of pepper, and we're also going to add a little bit of our Carolina Cooker Cajun seasoning with it. We're going to go ahead and add our cumin to it now and give it another stir, kind of mix all that around. Now we're going to go ahead and add our garlic real quick, add our jalapenos, hit it with the parsley, a little bit of cilantro. And once the meat is cooked all the way through, then we're going to go ahead and add our refried beans. And once that sits there for a few minutes, you can just kind of fold this meat into it. We're going to go ahead and add our cheese. We're just going to add this right on the top of it. So we're going to take a nice honking piece right here. Look at that. I'm going to do this in the air here. Very easy and very quick. I'm Chef Paul Rhoades with Carolina Cooker, and always remember, wild game does not need to be intimidating. It just needs to be prepared properly to make delicious meals at home.